As I read each character, please repeat after me in a loud voice so you will also get used to the sound of each character. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. So the first character we're going to study is the character ha. Okay, so in order for us to memorize this easily, please think of the upper part as a letter H. And this lower part here is a small letter A. Okay? Just like that. Ha. This character is read as ha. Okay? H and A. Okay? Ha. So let's write ha. Okay? 1, 2, and the third stroke should not be written in the middle, okay? It should be a little bit on the right side. 3, okay? Brush up, stop, stop. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So next is he. And to remember this character, please think of a smiley face. Okay? Smiley face. Like that. Okay? Saying he. Okay? And this is read as he. He, a smiley face. Okay? So let's write he. He has only one stroke. 1. Stop. Okay? So please take note that it is not written straight. Okay? This is wrong. It should be a little bit slanted. Like that. Okay? So next is fu. So fu is special because it is not read as hu. Okay? It's read as fu. And the way to remember this is, if you know Mount Fuji or Fujisan, the tallest mountain in Japan, we can think of this as Mount Fuji. Okay? Like that. Mount Fuji. Or Fujisan. Okay? So let's try to write fu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this is brush up, release, brush up, stop. Okay? This part should be leveled vertically, and this part also should be leveled horizontally. And these two strokes should not be leveled on the second stroke. Okay? So it should have like a space in between. Okay? It should be space. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So our next character is he. Okay, so ta-da! Again, this is the best scenario I could ever think. And yeah, can you see what's going on in this scenario right here? Okay, so please imagine that this is a mountain. Okay, this is he. Okay, and then this guy climbed onto the top. He's now onto the top, yay! But he slipped. He slipped and fell down. Okay, and now he's shouting for help. Okay, help. He, and this is he. Okay, a guy shouting for help from the top of the mountain. Okay, so let's write he. So it has only one stroke. Okay, stop. This one's a little bit shorter than the other one. Okay, short, long. So our next character is ho. So think of these two strokes here as two hands trying to hold a post. Okay, so this is a post right here. These two hands trying to hold the post. Okay, holding the post, and this is ho. Hold the post. Okay, you might get confused with these two characters since it's very similar to each other, but please remember that ho is hold. Okay, so for security you have to hold it with two hands. Okay, two hands. While ha, there's a letter H and a letter A below. Okay, so let's write ho. It has 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is brush up, stop, stop, and stop. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So to make an H sound become a B sound, we have to put a teng-teng. Okay, so let's put it on the upper right part of the character. So from ha, this becomes ba. Okay, ba. So let's put teng-teng here. So from hi, this becomes bi. Bi. So let's put teng-teng here. So from fu, it becomes bu. Bu. So let's put teng-teng here. So from he, this becomes be. Be. Put a teng-teng here. So from ho, it becomes bo. Bo. So to change from H sound to P sound, we have to put handakuten. Handakuten is a small circle on the right top corner of the character. Okay, so from ha, this becomes pa. Pa. So we put handakuten here. So from hi, it becomes pi, pi. So let's put handakuten here. So from fu, this becomes pu, pu. So by putting handakuten here, so from he, this becomes pe, pe. Let's put handakuten here. So from ho, this becomes po, po.